Are you tired of spending a fortune on store-bought veggies? What if I told you that you could grow your own fresh, delicious produce right in your own garden or backyard? Stick around and discover the secrets of becoming a gardening guru in no time. I'm Tony O'Neill and this is Simplified Gardening. I'm beyond excited to unveil my latest book, Your First Vegetable Garden, Starting on the Right Foot for Success. This 340-page guide is designed to empower anyone looking to grow their own food and enhance their gardening skills. Are you ready to embark on an incredible gardening journey that paves the way to success? In Your First Vegetable Garden, I've put together a comprehensive resource for you. Whether you're just a beginner or someone who wants to improve their own gardening skills, this book has got you covered. Now, the aim of this book is to give you the knowledge, the tools, the confidence, and the need to create a thriving, productive garden. By following the guidance here, even if you have limited gardening experience, you'll be able to grow a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs, and maintain a healthy garden, and enjoy the fruits of your labour. I understand that your gardening journey is unique, and this book provides a solid foundation for you to build upon. You can adapt and tailor your approach to suit your specific needs, location and preferences. Your First Vegetable Garden is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring that you start on the right foot to success. I have received some incredible, valuable feedback from pre-launch readers who have helped me shape this book into the resource that it is today. One crucial piece of advice was the need to address the differences in climate, pests and plants between the USA and the UK. So I made the decision to create two versions of Your First Vegetable Garden, one tailored specifically for the USA and the other for the UK. This ensures that you get the most accurate and relevant information for your gardening journey, without any confusion from conversion tables or different plant varieties, even though these conversion tables are in both the books. Both versions are now live in good bookstores and on Amazon. So whether you're in the USA or the UK, you can be confident that Your First Vegetable Garden's got you covered. To make sure you're getting the right version of Your First Vegetable Garden, take note that the UK edition has UK edition in the title and features a star on the front cover. It's essential to order the correct version based on your location for the most accurate and helpful information. You can find the links for both of the USA and UK versions in the description below, so go ahead and grab your copy today. Now that we have talked about the launch of this amazing resource for new gardeners and intermediate gardeners, let's dive into the heart of the book, the chapters that will guide you on your journey to creating a thriving vegetable garden. Each chapter is packed with practical advice and expert tips, ensuring you have all the information you need to succeed in your gardening endeavours. From understanding why growing your own vegetables is so rewarding to dealing with pests and disease, this book has you covered. Let's take a closer look at what each chapter has to offer. Chapter 1, Why Grow Vegetables? In this chapter, we explore the various benefits of growing your own vegetables, from saving money and promoting a healthier diet to satisfaction of cultivating your own food and connecting with nature. Chapter 2, Gardening Spaces. This chapter focuses on different types of gardening spaces and helps you identify the best option for your specific needs, whether it's a small balcony, a backyard, a community garden plot. It can walk you through setting up this space for success. Chapter 3, Plant Health. Learn how to keep your plants healthy and thriving with proper nutrition, watering techniques and care tips tailored to the needs of your vegetable garden. Chapter 4, Weather Considerations. This chapter highlights the importance of understanding your local climate, how to work with seasonal changes and how to protect your plants from extreme weather conditions like what we've been having here. Chapter 5, Preparing the Ground. Discover the secrets to preparing your soil, including soil types, amendments and proper techniques for mulching to ensure a strong foundation for your vegetable garden. Chapter 6, Propagation. Master the art of plant propagation from seed starting and transplanting to vegetative propagation or even tissue culture so that you can grow a variety of plants and expand your garden with ease. Chapter 7, Growing Vegetables. This chapter dives into the specifics of growing various types of vegetables, offering expert advice on planting, maintenance, harvesting and storage for a successful and bountiful harvest. Chapter 8, Growing Herbs. Learn how to incorporate herbs into your vegetable garden, including tips on selecting, planting and caring for a variety of culinary and medicinal herbs. Chapter 9, Managing Pests and Diseases. Arm yourself with the knowledge and strategies to effectively deal with common garden pests and diseases using organic and eco-friendly methods to keep your plants healthy and safe. And Chapter 10, Monthly Tasks. Stay organised and on top of your gardening tasks with a helpful month-by-month guide to essential gardening tasks and milestones to ensure a successful and productive gardening season. As we've explored the different chapters of this invaluable book, it's important to note that it's filled with game-changing tips and tricks that can make a world of difference in your gardening results. For example, did you know that removing flowers from your potato plants when they bloom can lead to a more bountiful harvest? By doing this, you're redirecting the plant's energy from producing flowers and seeds to focusing on growing larger and more plentiful tubers. It's insights like this that these can transform your garden from mediocre to extraordinary. Your first vegetable garden is brimming with these nuggets of wisdom, ensuring that you have all the tools you need to cultivate a truly successful vegetable garden. Now, after giving you a sneak peek into the invaluable content this book offers, I'm sure you're eager to get your hands on it and start your gardening journey on the right foot. Well, the wait is over. Your first vegetable garden is now available for purchase, tailored specifically for the USA and the UK, ensuring that the information provided is relevant and applicable to your unique gardening situation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get a comprehensive guide that will help you grow a thriving and bountiful vegetable garden. Simply click the links in the description below to order your copy today and embark on an exciting journey towards self-sufficiency and gardening success. In conclusion, your first vegetable garden is an essential resource for anyone looking to start or improve their vegetable garden. With tailored versions for the USA and the UK, practical tips and comprehensive information on all aspects of vegetable gardening, this book will help you achieve the best possible harvest. So what are you waiting for? Order your copy now and let the adventure begin. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more gardening tips and advice. I'm Tony O'Neill and this is Simplified Gardening. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.